Okay, so first thing first, you need to download TikTok Live Studio, and you'll be opening it. I will give you the account to log in. So you will this one here is tools, but we don't really use this one. So you'll be looking at scenes. So you want, if for speaking lesson, it will be portrait, portrait. But like for listening or writing, reading, you can do landscape. It's like this. But normally when you do portrait, it will have more viewers. So let's do this one. So you want to set up at source. First thing first, you need your camera. You will need your camera. You want to put it down here. Then you want to put like your screen, right? Like for example, you have a window. Remember, it's a window. Like for example, I already opened this one in Chrome. This is what I opened previously, like speaking part 1 topic. So this is how it looks like, but you want to crop it, make it bigger. You don't want to show everything. So for example, this one you will crop it like this. Let me just crop it more. Yes, something like this, so it will become bigger. And then you also want to add the follower. Yeah, you want them to follow you. So for example, our goal is 200. Not, yes, something like that. You can add it on the top. And then you also want to add the text. For example, if you want to like have students signing up for the course, you can say like online IELTS online class. Something like that. It's up to you how you want to put it. Yeah, basically. I think use a simple one. Text here. Yes. So this is how, and you want to preview it, like you want to see how it looks like on mobile phone. Mobile preview. So it will look like this. And while you're doing live stream, there will be like followers and viewers, and then you can invite them into your live stream. You can invite them to join. It's just like an online class, and then you'll be asking them question, and then they could be answering, something like that. Yeah, and then you will say go live, and remember you need to put this one you need to put, like for example, IELTS speaking part 1, landing and something like that. IELTS speaking part 1, yes, and go live. Make sure that you need to optimize your quality, video quality. It should be like this. This one is the good one. 10D, and this one. And then after that you can go live, and that's all done. It will show in here for you.